Who want recording? Problems we solved, Amma. You noted down this problem in last class,
No, sir.
or I only explained. You noted down this circle problem?
No, sir.
Note down, Amma. Note down. Once finished, let me know. If finished, let me know.
Sir, give permission to me also. I will also record.
Okay. Pooja. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Pooja, permitted amma 5B4. Okay. Bhavya, you want permission? Finished?
Yes, sir, finish.
Finished? See, Amma, until now, I taught you 4 problems, but only 2 varieties. Only 2. Agree? Yeah? How many problems I taught? 4. Varieties are 2. What is this variety, Amma? Because in one of the statement, both angles are given in separate statement. Theta is in separate statement, phi is in separate statement. But one more second variety, both theta and phi are given in same statement. Agree? Yeah? Agree? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
This Jagrata Mamma. These are the 2 major entities you have to remember. And one, if both angles are given, it is called median problem. You see that. This problem I not used word median, but circle is always median problem because there is no corner, no side. So that's why circle falls under one category, that is median problem. So I solved 4 problems. Understand Chandy why I solved 4 problem means student. I told that one problem if I solve it is having 5 different problems. What is that, Amma? Only I asked you to remove triangle, make it square. That is square problem. Remove square, right pentagon. It is pentagon problem. Remove pentagon, right hexagon. It is hexagon problem. But remove hexagon, right circle. It is circle problem. Means what I told, only object shape will change, method will remain same. Now you have two problems. So if you compare them, you will come to know what is that. Nothing, Amma. Whatever it may be object, it may be pentagon, hexagon, tetragon, octagon, heptagon, any object. Methodology approach will remain same. Got it? Clear? Shall I go for 3rd problem? Next 5th problem. Shall I go for 5th problem?
Yes, sir.
Take problem. A pentagonal lamina of sides. And always I will solve pentagon, circle, hexagon. I won't solve triangle, square or others. If I solved one variety, you can apply that for other all 5 varieties. Nothing wrong. That is assignment or it is a number of questions. It is left to you because my intention is that if student understand one principle, he can apply that same principle for n number of components. Components is not a matter. Principle is a matter for us. A pentagonal lamina of side 30 mm, a pentagonal lamina of side 30 mm, a pentagonal lamina of side 30 mm is having a side, a pentagonal lamina of side 30 mm, a pentagonal lamina of side 30 mm is having a side, both on HP and VP, is having a side both on HP and VP, is having a side both on HP and VP, both on HP and VP, full stop, both on HP and VP, full stop, is having a side both on HP and VP, full stop. The corner opposite to the side, the corner opposite to the side, the corner opposite to the side, the corner opposite to the side on which it rests, the corner opposite to the side, the corner opposite to the side on which it rests, on which it rests is 20 mm above HP, is 20 mm above HP, is 20 mm above HP, full stop. is 20 mm above HP, full stop. Draw the top and front view of the lamina. Draw the top and front view of the lamina. Draw the top and front view of the lamina. Note it down. Shall I repeat? Note it down now.
Yes, sir.
I have to remove my camera because I have to change page. Now tell me which variety problem it is, Amma. Anyone can tell me which variety problem it is? Anyone? Any idea? Yes. This is X. Tell me where it is placed, how it is placed. I want to know where it is placed, how it is placed. First stage. Whether here angle is given, Amma? Angle is given?
No, sir.
No. This is the cleverness of the asking question. No. No angle, Amma. Earlier two methods, only we taken base as a angles only. If two angles are given in separate statement, that is a one variety. If two angles are given in single statement, but here there is no question of angle. In not at all given angle, then how to resolve it? And again, it is a three-stage problem. That is Jagrata. Tell me where it is placed, how it is placed. What is a given object, Amma?
Pentagon.
Pentagon. Okay. First thing is we have to construct pentagon. Okay. That is a one clarity. Where it is placed? Where it is placed?
On HP and VP.
There is a controversy. Very good. He is telling that the side, both on HP and VP, it is resting on side. Agree? 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 Read
Sir.
question. Jagrata Mama. It is resting on HP and VP. Okay. Then how to get clarity? How to get clarity? Anyone? Read. Everything is there in that problem. Everything is there in that problem. Read it. Anyone? Please tell me. I will take attendance. Wait. Please tell me. Yes, anyone? Tell me how to understand it. Any idea? Already problem noted down. Chadvandamma. Yes. What happened? Sahil, Ganesh, Bhavya. What happened? Where you stuck? That's why I told these problems looks very simple, but reading and transforming the information is very important. Earlier two varieties, it is a straightforward. Yes. Please read amma. Continue read cheyandi. Anyone?
So lying on axis, sir.
Yes, amma. Yes, sir.
Lying
But
on
I'm not getting.
axis, sir.
No, amma. That is the last stage method. First thing is true shape of the object, pentagon. Where it is placed, round VP or round HP. There is a controversy. Okay, how it is placed, round side. I want to know whether it is on VP or HP. You read the corner opposite to the side. Onda, the corner opposite to the side. Yes, sir. It is there in question.
Yes, sir.
It is above, means corner is moving above. Jagratam. It is resting on HP. Read it very carefully. What I am telling. Connectivity, because every time you cannot anticipate that information should be given in first stage only. No, he will give information about second stage. Then we have to inculcate them. It is resting on HP due to above HP. If it is in front of VP, then this will be above. Jagrata mama. Above HP means second stage information is above HP. Listen. This is 30. Draw regular polygon. How much? 90, 100, 108. This, see, 90, 100, 108. You must regular polygon. Take 30. This regular polygon. Take 30. Take compass, take 30 mm. From this cut, this is A, B, C, D, E. Join them. Join this. This is true shape of the object, where it is placed, round HP, how it is placed with one of its side. Draw this. These two are in one line. These two are in, this is corner. See, join them. We are observing from here. A is not visible, E is not visible, B, C, D visible. A dash inside the bracket, B dash, C dash, E dash, T dash. First stage, where it is placed, how it is placed. Now, listen carefully. We don't know the angle. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, fixed end is AB. A dash, B dash. I taken 1 point. Okay. He told that its corner is 2 mm above. Can I draw locus line? Can I draw locus line? Yes or no? How much away?
20 mm.
How much? 20. Always this is 20. Okay. So A dash, B dash is fixed. Fine. Measure A dash to D dash. Read it. Side opposite is corner. What is the corner? D dash is a corner. Agree? Agree? Side opposite is corner. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
D dash is a corner. Measure A dash to D dash. Keep A dash fixed. Cut. See that this is D dash Amma. He told that side corner opposite to the side is 20 mm above. It is 20 mm above na. Agree? Ah?
Yes, sir.
Sir, no. Jagratam. Draw this line, Amma. Draw this line. This is theta, Amma. Theta is given in its indirect form, measure and write. Theta, that's why I told line perfection kawalamma. This information is intentionally given. He told that side, A dash, B dash is a side. Opposite is a corner, D. That's why I kept on side, on HP, because above, it is above. If instead of above, if he used it in front, I shifted this figure above. Jagrata mama. Now, after this, measure A dash, C dash. A dash is fixed, cut. This is C dash, E dash. Dark this line, finish. Angle is unknown, but locus line is known. What is the known factor? Locus line is known. Use that locus line. Perpendicular lines. Draw this perpendicular line. Draw the parallel lines. Draw this parallel line. Draw these parallel lines, passing through all the points. This point is A, B, C, D, E. Means don't get panic. You are in a position to read the requirement. Angle is given, but not in direct form. It is given in indirect form. This is second stage. Amma. Now, shall I go for third stage? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Jagratam Vinnandi. That's why I'm telling. I'm giving more weightage to how he may twist the question. Okay. This is why. Okay. Now what he told Amma? He told that this side is both on HP and VP. Agree? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Now already AB is on HP. Where it has to be there now on
VP.
VP. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Take AB length. Take AB length. How much? 30. Take this 30. From here to here, 30. Directly. This is A. This is B. Now you see AB is on. XY line is a property of HP as well as VP. HV as well as BP. Directly, instead of giving angle, he asked you to keep it directly. Now, I asked to copy this figure. Yes, we will copy. Hence, we won't edit. Take A to E. Again, after one session, end up A to E. Same as B to C. Agree? A to E and B to C is a mirror image. Yes. A. Draw the arc. From B, draw the arc. Right? I drawn both arcs. Then reverse A to C. First I taken A to E, then I taken A to C. A to C and B to E is same. From A, cut this. From B, cut that. Now you see, I got A, B, this is C, this is E. What is the missing element, Amma? D. Now you have two possibility. E to D, C to D, E to D, C to D, or A to D, B to D. It is left to you. Which one you want to use, because you have both points. Take D, and A to D, B to D is same. From here, cut. From here, cut. This is your D point. Join them. A to B. Sorry, B to C.